My husband came in from mowing last night and told me if I want asparagus seed, that we actually have some where it grows wild on our property. He saw it when he was out mowing. And we know what seed is for asparagus now, because after I took a little ride around Sanderson Gardens property with Jan Sanderson, he showed me his plants in the asparagus. So this is an asparagus that's gone to seed, but you see those little yellow pieces? Those mean that this is a male plant, and the male will not produce seed. But an asparagus plant that has these little berries, this is a girl plant. And so this female will get these little berries, and now that they're turning more red, they should be soft and squishy, and when you squish them, there's about 4 seeds in each little berry. Now, if they're not red, so there's one back here that's not quite red yet, but when he showed them to me, they were kind of a darker, maybe, I don't know, brownish color, but they were still pretty hard. So even though he popped it open, he said the seeds might not produce, so to wait until they're squishy. So I'm going to quick squish one open and show you what the seeds look like. I think I should be able to maybe grab one right here. So you just squish it, and look, there's seeds in there. Look at how many seeds that this means that this asparagus plant has. Here's what I'm finding. There's really green, so the one at the top is really green. And then some of them are turning sort of a rusty brownish orange. And those I think are probably not quite ready. So what I'm looking for is like this one on the bottom, which kind of just looks like a little teensy tiny tomato. That's the color that the ones are that are ready. I brought a handful of the pods or the berries in and popped out the seeds. It looks like some of them had 1 seed, some of them had 6 seeds, but I had a few that were probably not quite mature and they were a little bit harder, and I don't think those seeds will produce anything. So we'll see what we get out of these. There's about 130, and it was just a little tiny pile.